How to fix CapCut export error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Make sure your device has enough storage space, that is minimum of 5 to 10 GB free as CapCut needs 2 to 3 times the video size as free space. You can then try to delete old videos, cache files, or unused apps if you do not have enough space and then restart the device after freeing space. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also try to restart CapCut. So simply completely close the CapCut application and then reopen CapCut, as this will clear temporary export glitches, and see if that helps. If not, then open your project and then look for the download icon and then tap on the download all option and wait until everything is fully downloaded. You might need a stable Wi-Fi in order to download. Also, missing assets might cause the export failure, so make sure of that. And if your video is still not exporting, then change the export settings, as sometimes unsupported settings often break the export. So during export, tap on the AI UHD dropdown and then change the resolution, frame rate, codec bitrate if required, and also make sure to avoid 4K or 60 FPS for older devices. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try to remove the last added clip or effect, as most export errors come from one corrupted clip. So remove last added effect or transition or font or overlay, and then try exporting again and see if that helps. If not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to CapCut and tap on it, and then go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again. And this will clear the cache in the application. Do not worry, the projects will stay safe if cloud backup is on. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for CapCut, and make sure the CapCut application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app. Also, you can try to enable airplane mode for the time being and then disable it again and then try to export the video, as doing this will give the network services a fresh restart. See if that helps, and if not, then it could be because you have used copyright music. So you can try to remove the copyrighted audio and replace it with CapCut library music and then try exporting again. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try to split the project into 2 to 3 parts and then export the project, as sometimes the large files might face various issues while being exported. You can then merge the videos later. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix CapCut error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.